Good evening, guys. Good evening. Welcome to our webinar for tonight. Yes. Hello, Sir Nance, Anthony, and Miss Agnes. Welcome, Mama. Is this your first time, Ma'am Agnes? Is this your first time to join our webinar? Because I cannot remember you being here. I'm not saying you shouldn't be here, okay? I'm just curious, you know. Is this your first time, Ma'am Agnes? And what about your trading journey? Is this have you been doing this a long time? You can chat, Mama. There is a chat feature in Zoom. Okay, you can answer here. Otherwise, you are busy somewhere, which I don't know now. Anyway, guys, tonight is about another strategy, which is repeating daily, you can say. You just don't give much attention to this, but once you see it today, you will not unsee it anymore because it's always been there, repeating daily, and you haven't got the chance to take advantage of this strategy. So tonight we will all change that. For the main content, what is power of three? The concept behind that, okay, and the footprint, because there's three phases. First one, the accumulation. You all heard this, I believe. Then then the manipulation. Okay, it will manipulate the high or the low of a session, and majority of the time, that session is Asian session, guys. Once manipulated, it will go to the distribution phase, which takes at the New York session. And New York session is very notorious for reversing this trend. You don't see that in the chart. If London goes down, New York will go up. If London goes up, New York will go down. I'm not saying every time 100%, but majority of the time. And based on that concept, guys, you can trade a very good amount of price action in the London and the New York session because you've already seen it. You already seen the signature move of the power of three. And we will all see that in our chart example and all its strategy for this. Okay, so guys, we start now. So 50% deposit bonus, guys. As you all know, deposit 100, you get 50, 500, you get 250, 1,000, you get $500 extra. How nice. Take advantage, guys. Ma'am Agnes, I hope you are listening. Take advantage of this, okay? You will deposit 100 on your Zoe account. You will get 50, 500, 250, 1,000. You get $500 extra. So avail now, guys, of Algotor's giveaway, 50% deposit bonus. And hope you will, take advantage of this, okay? Now, the power of three, it's all about ICT, guys. Focusing on market phases. Okay, this helps traders understand market behavior. It is essential for identifying high probability trades, which what we like. Okay, because high probability is like it's recurring. Okay, it's probable. So there's a high chance that this certain move, okay, in this session will now happen. Okay. So what is the power of three? Power of three, aka PO3, is an ICT concept. Okay, deriving of three phases: accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. Okay, it is a method deployed by smart money to trick retail traders. By utilizing the power of three concept, we can identify potential trade opportunities and effectively position ourselves for the distribution alongside smart money. All right. ICT. Who heard about ICT already? I think you've heard all of this by now, guys. ICT. What is ICT? Hmm. Any guess? Or maybe you need to refresh your memory about ICT. ICT, guys, is in Forex, ICT stands for Inner Circle Trader, a trading methodology developed by Michael J. Huddleston. This guy, remember this face, guys. This is ICT, okay, that focuses on understanding and predicting the actions of institutional traders or smart money, okay? This approach uses concepts like market structure, which we always discuss now for the past 1 month, I believe. Market structure, liquidity, order blocks, huh? And fair value gaps, right? To identify high probability trading setups by analyzing how these large institutions move price and create manipulative events. Okay, inner circle trader. Okay, if we will go now and click this link on YouTube, okay, there is the guy, the inner circle trader. Okay, I am the mentor of your mentor. Wow, that is some very heavy, uh, what you call statement. I am the mentor of your mentor. I am the ghost in the machine. Okay. If you will all read this, guys, okay? There's his links and Twitter and then the official website, ICT official website. This is the YouTube channel, okay? In this YouTube channel, you can see all sort of strategy he's talking about here, okay? This guy, okay, was the guy who named all these things, order blocks, fair value gaps. It's because of this guy. Okay, very well known in forex space. So if you want, you can always explore the YouTube channel here, huh? You go to videos and it will explain to you a lot of things, guys. You cannot imagine the impact this guy made in Forex. All right. So ICT, the concept, accumulation. So accumulation means it's, gathering, huh? Building up, okay? Market builds orders in a tight range. So it's going sideways. Smart money, banks, excuse me, institutions, okay, begin to gradually, okay, slowly acquire a particular asset in large quantities at or around a certain price level. This stage in price, okay, can easily be viewed as consolidation or range bound price action. All right. That's it. Because it's going sideways. And which session goes sideways most of the time, guys? It's the Asian session. Number two, manipulation. Okay. False breakouts, stop hands, liquidity grabs happen in this session, guys. Smart money sends price higher or lower, sweeping liquidity in a fake move. It is fake. And with that fake move, it's triggering all their stop losses because liquidity is there. Smart money is manipulating price to shake out the dumb money. This is how they prepare for the distribution phase. But simply, manipulation is a liquidity sweep. Aha, bingo. And you all know about liquidity sweep already because we've discussed this in our previous lessons. Or fake move occurring before the real distribution. That's manipulation. Okay. Third, lastly, is the distribution. True move begins with trend direction. Now it will go to the intended direction. Smart money sells off a large amount of an asset at a higher price than they had previously accumulated it for. This selling can cause the asset's price to increase or decrease rapidly. All right, clear? Any questions? Always three phases, guys. Huh? Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, the power of three. And this is the footprint. In the accumulation, for a bullish power of three, Asia will go like this. Then it will manipulate either the high or the low. In this example, it manipulated the low, so price went lower than Asia until there will be a what? What happened in this section here, guys, of price action? Tell me what happened here. Tell me now. If you are reading market structure well now, what is this move, guys? What do you call this? Sir Nance, Sir Anthony. Chalk. Very good, Sir Nance. That's it, guys. It's always market structure. Okay. Now we are discussing power of three, but market structure will always be there. You just have to see it by yourself. Now it's chalking. Lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high. Chalk. That's why, guys, market structure. I'm stressing you every time market structure, chalk, boss, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low. It's always like that forever. Forever and ever. Okay. Then when it makes the higher high, it will now be in the distribution phase. For the bearish example, accumulation, it manipulated the higher high, higher low, higher high, chalk, distribution. Easy, right? It is easy because it's always going back to basics. Market structure, chalk, boss, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low. Market structure. Okay? That's the footprint. So in the accumulation, okay, sideways price action, it's like that. Market consolidates and builds liquidity. So equal low means liquidity. All the stop loss of buyers are here. Equal high, all the stop losses are sellers are here because at this point, for example, you are not seeing this move. At this point, you are inside this consolidation. There's always two sides of the market, the buyers and the sellers. Who will win in this battle is based which breakout price will go out. So it went up this example. So the buyers won this battle. That's it. It's always a battle of the buyers and the sellers. But you just have to be there at the right side of the market accumulation. So in this example, accumulation breaks out to the upside. It manipulated the upside. Okay. Manipulation, it's like this. False move to grab liquidity. That's the main concept of the manipulation. Stop hands above highs or below lows or traps retail traders into wrong position. You see, this example, price went down, manipulation, but it chalk. When it made the chalk, this is the bigger move, okay, than this. Then this small move to the downside, this is the bigger move to the upside. So more profit in this example. So manipulation is an aggressive price movement that occurs after the accumulation phase. This phase involves price breaking out of the previously established range, which is the accumulation, and can be a significant move either upward for bearish setups or downward for bullish setups. That's it. For the distribution, market moves in the intended direction. This is the intended direction. This was this was only engineered because this is the big move they want. Okay, the banks, the institutions. So true trend is revealed after the manipulation. After this manipulation to the downside, this is the real move. Provides best risk to reward opportunity. So your risk to reward is higher than this. That's it. That's a distribution. And this happens majority of the time in the New York session, either to the upside or to the downside. Practical application, identify the PO3 across session, London and New York. Look for confluence with support and resistance. Okay. Then combine with fair value gaps, FVG for the entries. Okay. As much as possible if there is. Okay. If not, then you will base your trades on your chalk and the what? Engulfing candle. Remember, when there's a chalk, there will always be a retracement somewhere there in the point of interest, and we will find some fair value gap, some order blocks there. It's always repeating like this. Now we are in the power of three, okay? The strategy, but it's the same concept. Market structure, chalk, retrace to the POI, find some FVG, and ride the intended direction with the engulfing candle to the upside. That's it. It's just a different name. Now we are discussing power of three. Okay? So the strategy, step one, identify accumulation or the range. Once you spot that in the chart, step two is to spot the manipulation, the false breakout. Either a stop hunt, okay, stopping order stop, triggering order stop losses. Then for the third step, enter on the distribution move, set stop loss below or above the manipulation, then target the next liquidity pool. That's it. So the best session to trade here is London and New York. That's it, guys. Screenshot this or take a photo, as this will be the strategy for the power of three. So the key takeaways here is be patient, okay? Because there's nothing more best in any trading journey if you are not patient, okay? The patients, okay, they are getting rewarded because they were waiting. It doesn't matter if they only have one trade a day, as long as they are patient, because the risk to reward is much better than scalping. Okay. Avoid chasing after manipulation candles. Okay. Those are some key takeaway. Align it with the higher time frame market bias. Of course, higher market bias is more powerful than the lower time frame. So when market structure goes this way on the higher time frame, then you just have to follow that. Okay. Use proper risk management. As we all know, I always advise you risk only 1 to 2% of your trading capital. So conclusion, mastering the power of three helps you avoid traps, trade with precision, and align with smart money. Stay patient. Okay, follow the process and the market will reward discipline. Discipline and patience are the key to success. So we are coming to the end of the slides here. As you all know, we have a copy trading feature where it lets you replicate the trades of expert traders in real time. So when they buy or sell, your account does too. Huh? Start with only $100 and you can get this uh, to be traded on your Zoe app on your phone, and you can enjoy copy trading feature which will be all beneficial for to anyone who is busy, who has 9 to 5. Okay, so contact our algorithm managers, and they will gladly assist you on this one, guys. Okay, and our gold trend algorithm 04 trading robot, where it will trend the gold for you automatically, and be very profitable on this, guys. Okay. The recommended copy trading capital here is $1,000, but the bot is so good. Okay. I tried it myself, 1,500. It generated 1,200 of profits, guys, in 2 weeks. How nice. 70,000 pesos in 2 weeks, and doing nothing, letting the bot trade this for you. This is the chance of a lifetime, guys. Okay. Contact our algorithm managers and they will assist you how to activate this on your Zoe app. Just finding algorithm 04 on the signals section on Zoe, and it will do everything for you guys. Okay. And you all know we also have some insurance program here where if you end at a net loss, Algotor will reimburse your qualifying losses. Keep 100% of any profits you make. Originally, this was $1,500, but now for only 500, you will get these benefits. And okay, in this table here, there's a sweet spot here of $6,000. If you will invest this amount, you will have an ROI of 26.79%. Now, how nice. With some perks here like 2 to 5 daily signals, complete trading guidance, and 24/7 track support. So contact our algo managers for the same, guys. Okay. And lastly, We have our 50% deposit bonus. Deposit 100, you get 50, 500, you get 250, 1,000, you get $500 extra only from Algoter, guys. Okay, so avail now while it's still available. That's it. We reached the end of the slide. Now we can go to the chart. Ma'am Agnes, are you there? I don't know if you are listening or what, or you are new to this chat, Zoom chat, because you can always chat me in the Zoom feature here. Okay, if you want to answer or ask me anything, just go ahead, Mama. Don't be shy. So this is the chart for tonight. If you're curious, what are these colored blocks here? So blue is Asia, green one is the London session, and the orange one is the New York session. Okay, I have it here in my trading sessions indicator. Okay, it's their trading sessions. You can search this in indicators on trading view. Okay, I just show the session name because if you will have all these guys, see, all this information will appear there. I don't need that. So I just want to show the name of the session. If you are already expert, you can even delete this and you can just have the colored blocks there. Okay, but for demonstration purposes in this webinar, I will let the session names appear. Okay, sessions. So session Tokyo displayed name. You can rename this Asia if you want. Let's do that. For example. Okay, session time should be 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock, okay? Because in Japan, 8 o'clock there, Tokyo, uh, what do you call it? Market opens there. So I put it 8 o'clock, then to 2 o'clock. In the session time zone, you must have GMT plus 8 every time, okay? You must have GMT plus 8, okay? If it's not GMT plus 8, delete everything and put GMT plus 8 with no spaces, okay? And for the color, it's all up to you. For me, it's blue, okay? For me, it's blue. For London, 1600 to 2200. And it's also GMT plus 8 with no spaces, guys. Color session is green. And for New York, it's 8 o'clock to 5 in the morning. Okay, GMT plus 8 and it's orange. So it's all up to you how you will color code this. So that's it. And then press OK. Now it's Asia instead of Tokyo. Okay. Now, what time is this? 4:55. So next candle is market opens at 6 o'clock. Somewhere there. So let's see price action now. Okay. At this point, it's Friday. Okay. 6 o'clock. So market opens in Philippines. Who is trading the Sydney session? No one's trading the Sydney. Okay, I don't know who's trading there. Maybe the Australians. But Sydney is just, I don't know how to describe this. It's just boring. Okay, there's no price action. It's just going like that. And then by 8 o'clock, okay, Tokyo, Asia. Asia starts. So let's see the price action of the whole Asian session. And as you know, The signature move of Asia is sideways. What time is it now? 12 o'clock. So 2 more hours. So if you are here, you will be trapped, right? It's sideways. And by this time, 155, 1400, finally, you finish Asian session. So what was the move for the manipulation? Let's rewind this. Manipulation. Okay, we have the accumulation. Manipulation, false move to grab liquidity, right? Stop hands above highs or below lows. So let's see that. Either it will manipulate the upside or the downside. So let's see in this example. We have the accumulation now. We should see some manipulation happening here. Will it go to the upside or to the downside? Mm-hmm. If you will put a line here, where is the lowest of Asia here? It's here. That's the lowest of Asia. So, did it manipulate the law of Asia? Yes, it went lower by the week here. Okay, price action. There was a big green candle there somewhere. Sorry, red candle. But now it's turning green. It's reversing. So, it's manipulating. Manipulation, guys. So, we wait. So, if this was the low, now this is the new low, right? So where is the highest? If this is the new lower low, where is the lower high? On this leg. Of course, this, because you just go back, okay? Because this low is not lower than this. So this is the chalk should happen here if it wants to reverse. So we wait. Mhm. Watch carefully the price action, guys. Huh? Now it's not sorry, it's not going any lower than this low. Don't you notice that this wick is higher? Means there is something cooking here. Some adobo is going to happen now. Otherwise, if it wants to go down, it should go down lower than this. But no, that's one of the sign. Okay, so we just have to confirm a chalk here because that's the lower high. Market structure, it's wicking. That's it. That is the confirmation you want to see. A chalk, change of character. Now it's going up, confirmed by all this. You see, no body candle even went lower than this low, even lower than this low. So there's something going on now. And this one is the nail in the coffin, the chalk here. So what did I tell you? Every time there's a chalk, there will be some pullback, okay, to a what? To a point of interest somewhere, some order block, some FVG. So you check price action. Mhm. So Where is your FVG in this example? There's the wick there, and this wick is not touching. There's a big gap. That's the gap, guys. It's going back in this FVG. So, what is the next confirmation you need to see? You need to see your engulfing candle, the bullish engulfing, right? As I told you, I need to see these things every time I place the trade. So you check it out. What's the next price action? Wow, perfect. Inside the FVG, there's an engulfing candle there. So what are you waiting for? That is your confirmation. Long position that. Stop loss. Where you will put your stop loss? Below that FVG or below this low? It's all up to you. But let's say below that low to protect you, what you will target. You should have some target now. That's the last step you need to do. You have the high of New York previous day, last night, or you can go high of London yesterday, or you can go the highest of Asia yesterday also. These are all yesterday's movement. That is your target because there's nothing higher here anymore, right? So that's it. And what is your risk to reward? 1:6. How nice, guys. 1:6. So everything is done. We have the accumulation, manipulation, okay? Then there's the chalk in the session in the London session, which determines our change of character, means bearish is now bullish, and there's a retracement in your FVG there, and inside the FVG there's a bullish engulfing. What more do you need, guys? So place the trade, manage your risk, and let's see if this power of 3 is really going for the distribution phase now. Now, what time is this? 1740. That's 5:40, right? Yes, 5:40. So let's see. Playing now. Huh? Okay. Now we are in New York, and wow, it just hit it. Maybe there's a high impact news around here. This is what time? 8:30. Yes, it could be a high impact news, but it falls inside New York session there. As you can see, it's very long. You see, this is the London, and there's an overlap. By 8 o'clock, New York session starts, taps that FVG one last time before flying to the moon. And that's how you get this power of 3 each and every time. Have you seen now the signature, guys? This is the power of 3. So, you want to see more examples on this? Fine. Let's go to the next day. So, New York is retracing with this big green candle there. All the imbalance is there. Let's see where now it's going. Next day, 6 o'clock. Yes. Now this is Monday because this was a weekend. Okay, Friday. Now Monday. Asia starts. Sideways motion as usual. Then 8 to 2, Asia is finished. Now watch what happens. Okay, where will the manipulation occur? To the upside or to the downside? So you just have to wait and see. Going to the upside. That is the manipulation. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's just weakening the low here, any week, any pip, weakening the lowest of Asia will be considered a manipulation. And this is the manipulation because the highest of Asia is here. Okay. It just went up Asia. So this is the manipulation stage now. Now you see the price action. You have to wait. London. Okay. Now we are in London. More manipulation in London. You see it went up there by the closing there in the candle. So we need to see a what? Because if this is going up, okay, we need to see London doing a chalk, right? Remember in this example, if London here manipulated but made a chalk to the upside, so this is a reverse. So we need a chalk to the downside to ride this trend. So wait. Okay. Okay. Now this is clearly a chalk because this is this is the high market structure, guys. It's always market structure. Higher high. This is the higher low. Now it's chalking. This is the chalk. That's the chalk. So after the chalk, there is always a retracement to the upside. In this example, there's a chalk. So a retracement to the downside. So let's see here. Is there any FVG we can find? Yes, there is one here. You see, there's the wick there, and this wick is not touching. So that's an FVG, guys. That's it. So we need a bearish engulfing in this scenario. That's a bullish engulfing, but we need a bearish engulfing. Is that not a bearish engulfing? Very nice bearish engulfing, guys. Short position that stop loss above that high there to protect you, or this high. Okay. But I doubt it's going to go up there. Otherwise, it's a choke. So what is your target? Go always check the left side. If you will target the law of Asia, that is 1 is to 1.27. That's a very bad risk to reward, guys. If you will go, because you see, this is lower than this. So where is the next low here? Could be this. You are saying, yeah, this could be it. Okay. What is your risk to reward here? 1 is to 4, which is much better, right? So that's what you will target. Or all the imbalance here of this big green candle. You see this big green candle there? All the imbalance there. So where is the imbalance? If that is the last week there, where is the imbalance? There is the week. That is the week, right? That is the imbalance it need to fill. That is the imbalance it need to fill, guys. So at around this point, okay, price Okay, common sense, logic dictates that it should feel that or target that imbalance. Sorry, guys. So you have your target, you have your entry, you have your stop loss set, playing now. You see, with that bearish engulfing, it's you are now protected. You put your stop loss way above there. Did price ever went back to your stop loss? No. So this is New York. Okay, it's going down. Hope it will hit our target. Otherwise, you can manage because by this time, it's what time is this? It's already 3 o'clock, guys. Guys, are you still awake at 3 o'clock? Move your stop loss to break even like this. If it goes back there, you are sleeping, then no money was lost for you. Otherwise, you don't know. You are just guessing. You always manage your risk. So you are break even. If it hits, it will break even. Nothing will come out of your capital. But there is the target. Now, the next day opens Asia. Okay. Will it go into hit that? So in some cases, okay, it will not, it's because you cannot see the future, okay? Who's trading? There's a lot of reasons why such price action happens. But you can manage now, okay? You wake up in the morning, you are drinking your coffee, your breakfast. Okay, you made some money here already, guys. You can close or whatever. But if you want to stick to your strategy, then you have to let it play out with your break even there. And the same. See, Asia manipulation. And by this time, I don't know why it's going to hit your TP. Okay, London is there. Okay. Manip, okay. New York. Now it's going to the upside. A lot of sideways motion here in these days. But that's the idea. Okay. Because at around here, okay, I think you already seen enough, waited enough. I think you will take profit here and close every trade. Okay, that's how trading is about. It's all about, guys. Okay, so you've seen now the power of three. It's all about market structure, guys. Okay, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. The chalk here, time to sell. That's it. And if it's reverse, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high, then time to buy because there's a chalk there. Time to buy. Okay, there's a retracement here. Okay, you find your FVG there, somewhere there. You will enter there on your FVG, okay, with your bullish engulfing and ride this to the moon. That's it, guys. Always market structure, okay? No matter what the strategy, I call this now power of three. Okay, what was the last Tuesday's webinar? Uh, I forgot. Let me check last Tuesday's. What was our title? Lesson? You can remember? What was that? 11? Yes, 11 August is the three confirmation entry. Remember? It's also market structure. Power of three is also market structure. But now you've seen broader things in Forex or reading the price action. There's the manipulation, there's the accumulation, manipulation, and the distribution. So in the downside, manipulation, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. This is the distribution. Okay. And with your take profit here, We didn't hit it quite well, but almost. Okay, so that's it. Huh? So, guys, is there any question with this strategy? Please do so now so we can wrap up this webinar. Anthony said liquidate market structure. Yes. The three the three entry setup. Remember? A three confirmation entry setup we discussed last Tuesday. So that's it, guys. All the market structure, okay? So who else is here? Hello, Sir Nestor, sir. Welcome. Though you are late now, but you can always watch this in our YouTube channel, our Reuters YouTube channel, so you can take advantage of this strategy. All right. So with that said, guys, yes, well, you're most welcome, Sir Nance. You know, I've already revealed to you a lot of secret sauce, a lot of strategy. It's all up to you guys. Okay. You can mix and match even. Okay. But market structure will be there forever. Okay. It doesn't matter what strategy I call this, the power of three, the three entry confirmation strategy, what it is, ICT, whatever. It's all market structure. Okay. It will never change. It's there for, it's the language of the candles market structure. So practice in your free time in gocharting.com, and you will be better each and every time. Okay, guys. So thank you all again for coming. I really appreciate it. Until we meet again, guys, we're on our secret sauce revealed. And thank you for Miss Agnes for joining us tonight. So see you again, guys, next time. Right. Good night. Bye bye. Sir Nestor, you're interested in Algotor FX Premium? Yes, sure. Contact our Algotor managers. You know, are you in our Telegram group? I think you are. Are you in our Telegram group channel? Na-add na po ba kayo sa Telegram, sir? Yes, that's it. So very good. So 2,000, it means you have $1,000 extra, right? Because of our 50% deposit bonus. So that's good, sir. In the Telegram channel, okay, you will get the attention of any of the Algotor managers. Yes, Zoe Capitrin. Yes. Just type there or chat them like, attention to any Algotor managers. I am interested in the Algotor 04 bot for to trade gold. Okay. Like this one, you are interested here. And then they will message you personally. Okay, sir? Because now we don't have time to show you how to add this in Zoe. But there's a way, okay? If you will go to Zoe, there is a signal. I don't know if we get if I can do this as fast as I can. Let's try. Okay. Let me share my screen for you so you can see, sir. Let me see now. Now I need to log into my Zoe account. Okay. I will share to you Zoe. Okay, that is Zoe, right, sir? Okay, for example, that is Zoe. You will go to Signal. You see this, sir? Signal, Sir Nestor? Yes, okay. Then in the Signal, what happened now, guys? Signal. There is the Signal. Okay. And then you will look for Algotor 04. Okay. Scroll up. There is Algotor 04, sir. Are you copying me? Okay. You choose Algotor 04 for that gold bot. Okay. You want to
Yes, sir.
follow?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Yes. Okay. Algotor 04. You click
Yes, yes.
Algotor 04 and then you copy. Okay. Copy.
Copy. Yes.
Yes. And then you will choose your account. Okay. For me, for example, this one. Okay. Then, okay, copy direction by forward. Always choose
Okay.
by forward because otherwise, if you will buy, it will sell. If you will sell, it will buy. So by forward, it's following. Okay. It's following. It's following gold. So if gold is buying,
Okay.
the bot will buy. So by forward, then by fix. Okay. For you, since you are a beginner, choose by fix. By
By fix,
fix.
yeah.
And then this fixer, this is your position size. So how much is you have? If you have 2,000, now you have 3,000, right? So you can have bigger position size. So zero, sorry, 0.10, right? Is $1.
Yes.
That is
Yeah.
$1. So you want to risk this? It's all up to you. So $1 for just to test, just to test.
Mhm.
Start with $1,
Okay.
then then confirm, confirm, sir. Then confirm, okay. Then confirm again. Risk warning. It's just a reminder. So confirm.
Yeah.
Now it's there. Where you will find this, sir? You will go back. Okay, click back here.
Okay.
Click back and then go to positions. Go to
Okay.
positions. Okay, positions, and then go to copied trades. Copied
Copy
trades.
trades. Mm.
There is your Algotor 04, sir.
Okay.
Now it
Mm.
is there. The bot is now going to trade for you if it finds a good trend. So just let it play out. Okay, just just tonight. Okay, try to monitor this if gold is going, because now there's no floating, means it's because you just place it now. Maybe after 1 hour it will find a trend. It's analyzing the chart and it will start trading, sir.
Actually,
Okay.
sir, I have now the Star Ultra Algoter right
Yeah.
now.
Also
Copy
the
trade.
STAR. If you have the star, okay, let's do that. I will show you. I think you have it now. So star
Yeah, I
is
have
there.
right now. I open my account. I have
Okay.
here the Star of Ultra Algoter, and my
Ultra. Yeah.
profit loss now is $120 for
You
me.
see? It's positive 120, yeah?
Yeah, but it's already one month already.
1 month. Yeah, because
Yeah.
because the star ultra, sir, it's not trading gold, okay? It's trading forex.
So,
So as you
sir,
all
can
know,
I transfer to the gold, the 04, the Algoter 04 instead of this one?
yeah, the Algotor 04, sir, is going to trade gold only. Don't
Yeah.
worry. So if you want to remove Star or Algotor 04, you click this.
That one.
Yeah,
Okay.
click this
Yeah.
one. For
Okay.
example, in Star, you click this one in the Star. Okay.
Yeah.
Then you
Okay.
will see unfollow.
I will click now, and then uh
Then click
yeah,
unfollow,
it's already there. Follow. Uh
unfollow, and then it will remove this.
I see. Here,
Yes.
after clicking, there is a view signal lag. Where
Yes.
unfollow at the top, yeah. I will
Unfollow.
click the unfollow,
Yeah, unfollow, unfollow.
and then
If
confirm.
you want to, if you want to remove star, you click unfollow, and it will remove this. If
Okay,
there is
and
no
then
floating,
confirm.
and
And
then
then
confirm. If yeah,
confirm, yeah.
yeah. If there is open trade, it will go to your manual trade now.
Okay. So it's
If
okay.
there's open trade pending, still not finished, it will go to manual trade, and that's for you to close there.
So
That's it, sir.
here, when I open the manual trades,
Mm.
there are open six.
Yes, because the star is trading this, but you unfollow, so it put everything in the manual.
Yeah, it's now in the manual.
Yeah, you can now
So
close this if it's profiting.
I will close now. Close
Yeah,
all.
you can close. Close all. You can close all. It will close
Yeah,
everything.
yeah.
Now your 120 will now go to your account because that's the profit of the star.
Okay. So now, sir, I will go to now the gold. So I will go.
Yes.
So I will go to where now? I'll go
Yeah.
there. So
Yeah. Copy trades.
I will go to position, or
Now with this one, Algotar
yeah.
04, you can see it in the
So
screen. We
yeah.
have the same, huh? Algotar 04. This is the gold bot. Now
So
it's
now,
ready to trade. Now it's ready to trade like the star.
na, I cannot see the Algotor 04. Where should I get it?
Here in the copied trades.
Copy
Click the copied
trades.
trades. Yeah.
Yeah.
It is there.
Ah, hindi lumabas eh.
Nothing? It's not there?
Yeah,
Okay, go
yeah.
back again. Go to signal.
Signal. Okay, signal. Okay.
Yeah, signal
Okay,
and
okay. Yeah.
then
And then I
Algotar
will
zero
log.
four.
Ito, okay. I will click. Yeah.
Yes. And
Now
then
it's
buy
there.
forward.
And then there is a copy. I will click the copy.
Yeah, copy, copy.
Copy, yeah. And then
Okay. Buy
there
forward.
is a number. There is a number here.
Mm.
So I have two numbers here. One, my balance. Because I have here the 2081. Because
Yeah.
I have two
Choose
accounts.
which account, yes.
Yeah,
Choose
the
which account.
USD. The
Yeah,
USD.
USD.
Yeah.
USD.
So now it's forward.
Yeah, buy
Uh,
forward.
yeah, by
Buy
forward.
fix.
I will click the by forward or
Yeah, click
reverse.
buy forward. Buy forward.
Okay. Yeah.
Then buy fix.
By pix.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then I don't know, it's up to you, sir.
Uh,
$1, 0.10 for
so I
$1.
will there is a picture.
Yes.
Uh so uh, I will put on the pics. the number.
Yeah, there is an option there below. There is a box. You can
Yeah.
click that and you put 0.10.
Uh, 0.10. Yeah,
Yeah,
that is
for
one
$1.
dollar.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then follow.
Follow. Okay. Oh, where is this follow?
Below.
Below?
There is
Ah,
a
yeah.
button follow.
It's here. It's confirm.
Okay, confirm.
Confirm.
Sorry, confirm.
Okay.
Confirm.
Confirm.
Yeah, confirm.
And
Yeah.
then there's okay. I will confirm. Okay. So it's now.
It's now
There
in your
is,
position. Go to
yeah. And then
position.
there is a copy here. So
Copied trades. Yes.
I
Copied
will
trades.
click this copy at the
Yeah. Click the
bottom.
copied trades.
Okay.
And now you can see it.
Yeah. It's
Just like
already
this.
copied.
Yes, it's there, right?
Okay.
So that's it,
So
sir.
okay. Okay. So it's already there. It's now
Yeah.
working.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
it's
now going
already
to work.
copied.
And you will
Okay.
see some floating PNL, it will run green and it
So
will
I
now
will go
start
to the
trading for
so I will go to the position now.
you. Mm.
It's already here. I'll go there 04, profit loss 0 pa. Okay. So
Yes.
it's now there. Okay.
It's now there, sir. You
Okay.
can monitor this now, okay? And
Yeah,
then
yeah, yeah. That's
every
it.
day, every morning when you wake up, you will see some profits.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Welcome, sir Nestor. If there's any more
Okay.
question, you can always feel free to message us in Telegram, Algotor's Telegram channel. Okay,
Yeah,
sir?
yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you very
Okay,
much.
all the best. Yeah,
Okay.
welcome, sir. All the best. All the best.
Okay. Thank
Okay,
you.
bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.